Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Nissan Altima S, stock number X101XA. 72,000 miles on this Altima. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Cayenne Red in color. The Altima is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera for additional safety. Large trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull the tab on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This house has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to the Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, and that's where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Altima has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 27 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 65% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Altima, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.